I am the Eggman. I am the Eggman. I am the war. Well, What?
Carl, what are you squawking about?
Oh, I'm sorry. Today we're going to be using the Instant Pot here, and we'll be making hard-cooked eggs. And then we're going to be make deviled eggs once we get them in ice water and let them cool down and peel them. I want to give a shout out to Mark, who I met. He has a farm, Lawson Farm in Rockford area. He has organic vegetables, fresh honey, and fresh eggs. And during the summertime, he's going to be doing a video with me. He's going to bring me his organic vegetables and honey, and we're going to be making something out of it. So he's full of energy. He's a lot of fun. He's got videos on Facebook. So Lawson Farm, give him a look-see. We'll be right back.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube. Please take a look at our videos, all kind of cooking videos and culinary videos. And subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll tell you when there's a new video coming out. So what we're going to do, this is my Instant Pot. And we're going to pour about a half cup of cold water. Sometimes you can put 3/4, whatever you want, just don't put too much. So anyway, we're going to make the nice eggs in the Instant Pot. So we got the nice rack here. It doesn't sound right, nice rack. But here we go. It's back here. We got some more eggs. Alright, so we're going to put the rack of eggs in the Instant Pot. Put it in there. And the second rack. Okay, now we're going to put the lid on. I'm going to set this here so it's locked. So now we got the lid locked on. We got the steam locked. So you want to make sure that's closed. And Instant Pot says it's steam, pressure cook. And now I'm going to go down to 8 minutes. And it's going to take a couple of minutes to build up the steam. And then it's going to wind itself down, and then I want to give it like a minute and release the steam. So let's wait. Okay, we're down to 1 minute now, and we're going to have to let the steam out. You can see 1 minute and counting. And there's a wooden spoon or something. Don't put your hands in there because you don't want to, or don't bend over to see if it's ready, because it's hot. And when you're hot, you're hot. And when you're not, you're not. Okay, the buzzer gone off. They're all zeros here, so we're going to let the steam out. We're going to just hit cancel, right? And let's hope for the best. Okay, and now we got our eggs. Handle this with pot holders because it's hot, 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 hot. I have a bad leg, so that's why I stutter a little when I'm walking. And now we're going to put a little cold water in the tap in here, and I'm going to dump some ice water just to make sure we cool them down nice and quick. I'm going to let them sit in there about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to peel them. So we're going to drain these off. Been in there about 10 minutes. And we'll come over. I'm going to peel them back. The shells come right off. And if I could do it at 73, you can do it. Some nice peeled eggs. Now I'm going to show you how I can make some deviled eggs. So, a lot of times people just cut the deviled eggs, cut the boiled eggs with a knife. Okay, so I like to use a serrated cutter. Gives you some nice fancy lines on there. And then you just take out, boom. And if you break one, that's your lunch. And I usually just mash them up. And I add some mustard, some Miracle Whip, and a little softened butter. And then I put them in a pastry bag. You could use a spoon. And you just and that's the name of that story, as they say. Now I'm going to show you something I made up earlier, and then Ward and I are going to have a little taste of deviled eggs. This is what your platter could use. I like to use the egg holder and put a little bit of chopped scallion, a little bit of paprika, and then I take a little bit of a pickle, sweet pickle. These are called pickle fans. And you just decorate your platter like this. And that's it. It's time to enjoy the party and have a glass of wine and whatever you like to have for your beverage. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. Thank you for coming into my home. Bye.